Are you planning to renovate your kitchen but worried about the costs? With Fullerton India's personal loan, you can give your kitchen a fresh look without breaking the bank. Upgrade your kitchen affordably with these smart renovation ideas and Fullerton India's personal loan. Identify what you need in your kitchen, such as more storage space or a better layout, and prioritize those upgrades. If your kitchen's current layout works well, consider making minor adjustments instead of a complete overhaul. Look for energy-efficient appliances that enhance your kitchen's functionality and save you money in the long run. If your cabinets are still in good condition, a simple facelift can transform their appearance. Reduce labor costs by tackling some tasks yourself, such as painting or installing hardware. With Fullerton India's personal loan, you can turn your kitchen renovation ideas into reality with ease. Apply for Fullerton India's personal loan today and start your kitchen renovation project right away. Subscribe to our channel for more updates.